Hello, this tutorial is going to go over how to insert an image into the Easy Interactive Tools whiteboard mode so that you can label it or expand upon it with your class. To begin, you'll need to open Easy Interactive Tools. Next, you'll need to click on the whiteboard mode. That will bring up a white screen that you can use as a workspace. I'm also going to select the page list button and I'm going to fold back the pin so that my page list stays present at all times. I'm now ready to insert my image. I'm going to go to the toolbox, and under the toolbox I'm going to select Insert Image. That's the small little picture inserted on the screen. This brings up my file menu, and I can see right here on my desktop I have saved a picture of a plant cell. So I'm going to select the picture and select Open. The picture has been inserted, and you can see I can move it around. If I click on it, I can rotate the picture. I can also make the picture bigger so that my students can more easily see and label this picture. Now that I have this here, I can have my students use pens to draw lines and label objects in the image. Obviously, this would be easier if they were using a pen or their finger on the whiteboard, but as I'm using my computer, my handwriting's a little rough. Additionally, if you wanted multiple students to be able to work on this activity, you could clear your annotations. I'm going to insert the picture again by going to the toolbox, selecting the Insert Image icon, selecting my plant cell image, and Open. My plant cell is here, and I'd like to arrange it so it's larger. As a teacher, I want to set up this activity so multiple groups can participate. To ensure that they know exactly what I want them to label, I'm going to use a pen and I'm going to draw lines out so that they know what they need to be labeling. Okay, I've drawn my lines. I might additionally add some black lines for them to write on underneath. And remember, if you're having trouble drawing a straight line, you can use the Shapes function to insert a black line. And that will help you to ensure that it's perfectly straight. Okay, so my plant cell is now ready to be labeled, but I only have one copy and I'd like several groups to work on this activity. What I'm going to do is use this button that shows two pictures of slides. It is the Copy Page button. If I press this, you'll notice over here that now I have two of the plant cell pages. I could continue and continue. So when I click on page 1, you can see that this is page 1 of 4 over here in the top right corner. Then page 2, 3, and 4. As students work, they'll only work on one page, and then when it's time for the next group, they can click on page 2 so the next group doesn't see page 1's work and is able to continue working. To ensure that the page list goes away, you can straighten out the pin over here, and then anytime a student clicks in the whiteboard space, the page list goes away, so that also means that any answers they might see would go away as well. This wraps up our tutorial. Please visit the technology training website for more tutorials and using your interactive projector for instructional use. Thanks.